Starting externally, use a light pencil and ruler to earmark the desired height for the outside piece of the trickle vent. Now, using the vent itself as a marker, earmark its center spot to ensure it sits correctly flush with the holes behind. With the correct placement identified, screw the outside of the trickle vent in place and ensure it is securely fastened to the sash. Use the screw cover caps provided to cover the external fastenings for a neat and discreet finish. Moving to the inside of the window, repeat the process of identifying the correct placement and height for the trickle vent. Once complete, secure the trickle vent against the internal profile using the screws provided. Use the screw cover caps provided to both ends of the vent to conceal the screws.